Changing your payout method on Toptal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Toptal account. Access the Toptal website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your account details handy to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to the payout settings. Once logged in, go to your profile settings. Look for the section labeled Payouts or Payment Settings in the menu. Step 3. Select your current payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the new payout method you wish to use from the available options. This could include bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services supported by Toptal. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Toptal. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Toptal support for assistance.